What's up everyone, Willie Apple here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the iOS 17 public beta for yourself. It's actually really easy to do. Let's get started. Now starting off first, I would like to tell you all of the supported devices for iOS 17. If you have an iPhone 8 and an iPhone 10, you will no longer be able to get iOS 17, unfortunately. You'll be stuck on iOS 16 for all of eternity. But if you have an iPhone 10s or 10R and newer, that includes the 11, 12, 13s, and 14s, along with the SE2 and SE3, you'll be able to get iOS 17 just fine, so stay tuned, we'll get you running. Before you install, I want to show you what you should do right away. So what you want to do is you want to open up settings, go to your Apple ID up here, it's the first thing up here, and tap iCloud, and now iCloud backup, and press this backup now button. When you press this backup now button, it will keep your iOS 16 backup, so if you were to reset your phone with an IPSW file, you'll have all your files remaining. It'll just be like how it is right now, but please be sure to back up before you install iOS 17, just in case you want to revert back. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Safari, then in the address bar, go to the website beta.apple.com. It will look just like that. I'll leave a link down in the description down below. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and press sign up right here. This will sign you up for the iOS 17 public beta. And then what you want to do is you want to press continue and do your Face ID, and then you get all your guides for getting the public betas. Once that is done, all you want to do is you want to open up settings, then you want to scroll down to general and press software update, and you're going to see this new thing right here that says beta updates. If it's not here, just skip it like 5 seconds and then it will appear by itself. Then you want to tap into it and you're going to see a screen that looks like this. You're going to see iOS 16 options here, but what you want to do is you want to tap on iOS 17 public beta and then you want to press back. Then as soon as you press back, you will see that you now have the iOS 17 public beta. Now just press download and install. Now what should you do if you found an issue with iOS 17? You don't really need to revert back. Apple will release a beta every week, so hopefully your bug gets fixed in the next set of betas. So what you want to do is you want to open up Feedback Assistant. It's a brand new app that goes onto your phone after enabling the beta. And then you want to press this button down here. This will ask you what platform you're reporting for. In this case, we're going to do iOS and iPadOS. And then give a descriptive title. Once you have your really descriptive title, what you want to do is you want to tell it what area you're seeing it. In this case, it would be a battery issue. How are we charging our device? It will ask you various questions depending on what you chose the issue for. But please be sure to report it for real bugs only. You don't want to waste Apple's time trying to find fake bugs. But every single one's going to have this thing called description. And what you want to do is you want to give a really clear description of the issue, clearer than the title itself. A step-by-step process, so like show you what you did. For example, it would be plug in your phone, plug it out really fast 5 times. That would be what you would put there. What results you expect, that's what you would say. I expect my battery to not say 69% all the time. What I actually saw, then what you would put is you saw your battery stay at 69% forever. So that's basically how you would report a bug, and it's actually pretty easy to do. Now obviously I'm not going to submit this, I'm going to cancel and then delete the draft. And that's everything I have to say about the iOS 17 public beta. I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to know whenever a new beta releases, please be sure to tap that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and be sure to like the video and comment, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!